Hi everyone. I work in the steel industry. And how do we make steel? We grab the iron ores, add coal into it, and heat it up. That's when the coal burns and it melts the iron ore. In return, we get liquid iron, and we use that to make steel of different types. This steel industry is a $4 trillion industry. And that's because steel is a very, very successful material. The car that you used to come here, the bridge, this building, your mobile phone, even the knife and fork that you are using right now, everything is made out of steel. So what is the problem? The problem is, for every ton of steel we make, we produce double the amount of carbon dioxide. And do you know how much of steel we made last year? 1,800 million tons. And that accounted for 30% of total industrial carbon dioxide emission. That's a lot. In my research, I'm directly trying to lower this amount by up to about 50%, which will bring a great difference to our planet. So what's the idea? Well, the idea is very simple. We make steel using sun. How? Do you remember when you were a kid, you used those magnifying glass to burn a piece of paper or maybe a piece of wood? It's the same thing that we do, but at a larger scale. So we use quite a large number of mirrors to direct the sunlight to a big magnifying glass so that we create enough heat to bend or melt the steel. And the great thing about this technology is we can directly install this whole setup at the mining site itself. So we are not only reducing the direct carbon footprints from steel production, we are also reducing the indirect carbon emission from shipping these ores from mines to the production sites. And you would be happy to know that Australia is the world's largest producer of iron ores. And all of its iron ore mines are in hot and sunny areas. Me and my team have spent thousands and thousands of hours on this, and it works. We make steel in a much cleaner and cost-effective way using the free sunlight. Thank you.